Hi dolls and sugars, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be an unboxing with Lavy hair. As you can see, this is the brochure that was included, that was enclosed. This is the wig. The unit itself is a Brazilian straight, fresh out the bag.
And it's pre-plucked as well as pre-bleached. I don't know if you can see as from the video, but it's pre-bleached hair as well as pre-plucked.
And now, off to my stylist. Right here at the shop is showing my 14-year-old multi-talent daughter. I may add, yes, she's only 14, and she's proceeding to braid my hair in its natural state down so it can prepare for the ball cap method.
Yes, and she's done her whole head. She started and it was all done, and here's the finished product.
That's her embracing me with a little hug. She's such a sweetie, cupcake that is. And after the braid down is complete, my stylist herself steps in and proceeds to begin the ball cap method, which is step 2. And now she has me up under the dryer, allowing the ball cap method to dry. Now I'm from off under the dryer.
Right, she cut down the ball cap, and now she's just applying the lace front glue
to apply the unit.
Right, now that's getting sticky, and once it's dry,
and once the glue gets tacky, she applies the unit to the ball cap. And as you can see, she's using like a rat tail end comb to make sure that the unit itself is laying down on the glue.
Once she fully presses the wig down, she begins to
and now pluck. She's plucking. Pluck, pluck, pluck.
Now she begins the baby hairs, which is one of my funner steps.
So as she begins to customize the baby hairs, and this unit as well required for her to bleach the knots, because the knots were not bleached when we received the unit, when they shipped it to us. So my stylist had to go in and try to customize it so that it could try to melt by it not being a transparent or HD lace. And I think she did a pretty good job on doing that. Now we showing her flat ironing the hair.
And she uses like not a rat tail comb, but like a little thin plastic comb to follow it up.
Wow. And the hair was very silky. It was very minimum shedding, which was awesome throughout the whole bleaching process. It was 0 to minimum shedding of the hair. And voila.
She's done.
Finished product. And the hair was definitely easy to work with. Very beautiful silky texture. And the hair itself really, so far, upon a week of me wearing it, has been 0 to minimum shedding.
It's giving the girls Barbie doll, that is. And my dolls and my sugars, the final review on this install, what can I say? It's giving. Yes, it's giving. It's definitely giving the girls everything that it needs to give. And this hair is, oh my goodness, so soft. And what I love about this wig, one of my main pros about this wig, it was so thick, like the density is amazing. And I think the inches was like 22, but it really could go for like a 24-inch because it hangs. And I can't adjust my camera because it's just me on the scene, on my Dollhouse official filming today. I don't have my assistants today, so it's just yours truly. But the hair itself, oh my God, and it's so gorgeous. My significant other complimented me because like just running your hands through it, it's so soft. And when I tell you it's just shake and go hair, it literally has not been flat ironed originally since it was installed. So other than that, I just tied up at night and I just let it all hang out. And I have shampooed it and conditioned it, and it never sheds. It's like 0 to minimum shedding. So that's definitely a plus for me. So don't delay, don't wait. Go right ahead, hop on. Do not miss out, because for a limited time only, I have an exclusive discount code at www.lavyhair.com. I have my exclusive discount code, which I will be displaying right across the screen. So go right ahead, dolls and sugars, head over to Lavy Hair, and they have so many units, like 613s, all textures, all styles, Peruvian, Malaysian, Brazilian, like all kind of texture styles, the wet and wavy, because usually I am a curly girl, because I originally requested curly hair, because that's what I am. I'm a curly girl. I usually kind of stray away from straight units, but they sent me a straight unit, so I was like, okay, we're gonna make it do what it do. And like I said, the lace, this is not a transparent lace nor HD, but it was very easy to bleach the knots. The knots was very easy to be bleached and melted. So I have the only con I do have, like I said, I do prefer a HD, a transparent lace, but during the time that the company reached out to me, I think they said they were out of stock in the warehouse. But that's just one con of mine. I do prefer HD transparent laces, because they're very easy to melt and they just blend in like scalp. But nevertheless, my stylist made it work, and I'm very much satisfied overall with his hair. So thank you, dolls, for coming along for another fabulous review, and this hair is definitely worth it. So go right ahead and head over to Lavy Hair and tell them the dolls sent you. As always, dolls, stay sweet.